Hi everyone, welcome again to the Learning Design Hub channel. Today we will look at a very interesting AI tool. It is an audio platform that generates text to speech in 32 languages. And the name of this tool is 11 Labs. This tool can be used to create voiceovers for videos, to enhance presentations with narrated slides, or even to produce audiobooks or podcasts. 11 Labs can be used by content creators, educators, learning designers, businesses, everyone that needs to create speech easily and add this speech to a video or save as an audio file, add this audio to a website or to a presentation. There are just so many uses for this AI audio platform, and you will see that it's very simple to use. If you want to access this tool, 11 Labs, there is a link for you in the video description. You just have to select that link, click that link, and it will bring you to this page where you can create an account if you still don't have one. It's very simple. You just have to follow the steps on the screen. Okay, so let's start having a look at the actual tool. Here in the main page, we have an opportunity to test it already. Here you have some of the possibilities. That is text to speech, speech to speech, dubbing, and etc. So we will test the text to speech option today, and I'll just grab some text from here to add to the field. I'm pasting it, and here you can select the language. So as I mentioned, you can select among 32 available languages, and these are some other suggestions of possibilities of what you can do with 11 Labs. Here you can choose the voices, so there is really a wide range of female and male voices here to choose from. I'll just keep Brian for our test, and I'll select play.
Generate high-quality speech in any voice, style, and language. Our AI voice generator renders human intonation and inflections with exceptional fidelity, adjusting the delivery based on context.
I will test it with Charlotte now.
Generate high-quality speech in any voice, style, and language. Our AI voice generator renders human intonation and inflections with exceptional fidelity, adjusting the delivery based on context.
Okay, fantastic. So I think that you can have already some idea of what you can do with this tool, but we will have a look now inside. So I already have an account, so I will get in straight away, but remember that you need to create an account for yourself. And remember that there is a link in the video description that you can click on to access 11 Labs and follow this tutorial. So this text to speech is just what we have played with there in the main page. So we just have to paste the text here, and then we select the kinds of voices here, and we just generate speech. But I won't do that now because we've just done that in the main page, right? What I want us to look at very quickly is the voiceover studio that you can see it's still being tested. So this is what the voiceover studio looks like. Here we can name the project. I just named it Koala Video. And here is the area where you should drag and drop an audio file or a video file. So I will just drag and drop a video file for our test. And then I'll just select create voiceover. It might take a few seconds or minutes depending on how large your video is and how fast your internet connection is. All right, so it takes us immediately to the editing page, and here we can see the video that I've just uploaded. There is a first speaker box, and this first speaker you can edit. You can give it a name, for example, Mary. This is useful, especially if you have more than one person in your videos and you want to edit them here, so it would be much easier if you name them according to who they are. Okay, so let's just keep speaker for now because I just have one narrator in my video, and I will paste a text that I had ready for us to test with the koala video, and I will select generate audio, and let's see what's going to happen. So again, it's taking me some seconds, but my audio is already read here in this timeline, and here is where you can edit, you can cut, you can add a new speaker. Let's play and see how this sounds.
Meet the koala, Australia's iconic marsupial. These adorable creatures spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees.
So the audio is great, as you can see. And let's say that I'm not happy with the speaker that I chose, and I want to change it. So I just had to select the gear icon here, and then this box is open, and here I can change to another name. Let's say that I want Jessica for a more conversational tone, and I won't adjust the settings, but you definitely should play with it. So here we have stability, similarity, and style, and you can adjust according to your needs. So we still have our original voice, but because I selected Jessica, once I click generate audio, it will regenerate that audio in Jessica's voice.
Meet the koala, Australia's iconic marsupial. These adorable creatures spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees, munching on leaves and sleeping up to 18 hours a day. Despite their sleepy nature, koalas are vital to our ecosystem. Let's protect these cuddly ambassadors of the wild.
All right, so yeah, my video is here. It's beautiful, and let's say that I love it. I'm very happy with it. So what I'm gonna do now is I will export. And here there is also a range of formats you can choose. You can even select audio if you'd like. I'll keep video and export. And again, it will take some seconds, and I can download my video here. I'll just save to my downloads folder. And this is my video. Let's see how it sounds.
Meet the koala, Australia's iconic marsupial. These adorable creatures spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees, munching on leaves and sleeping up to 18 hours a day. Despite their sleepy nature, koalas are vital to our ecosystem. Let's protect these cuddly ambassadors of the wild.
So as you can see, 11 Labs offers a wide range of voices with different accents and tones. You can choose between male and female voices. There are many customization options, and the output is very good, excellent quality actually. And it has also a very user-friendly interface. So it's really easy to navigate and to find the options here. Remember, if you want to test this too, there is a link in the video description. So tell us in the comments, how are you planning to use 11 Labs? See you in the next tutorial. Bye!